Hi everybody, it's Dr. Weideman with an update for this week's material. So where have we been? Last week we studied estimation of parameters and we learned about estimating. First we learned about point estimates for the population proportion and the population mean, and then we worked into confidence interval estimates for the population proportion and the population mean. This week we're going to learn about hypothesis testing. First, you're going to learn about the basics of hypothesis testing in section 8.1, and then in 8.2, you'll learn about testing a claim about a population proportion, and then in 8.3, you'll learn about testing a claim about a population mean. And I want to mention that in 8.3, just like you had in 7.2, when we work with population mean, we're going to be working with a different distribution, the t-distribution. So your assignments for this week, 3 homework assignments, 8.1, 8.2, and 8.3, and of course there's a weekly quiz. And then this week's discussion centers on the largest health experiment ever conducted that involved a test of the Salk vaccine that was developed to protect children from the devastating effects of polio. And you'll test a claim about the efficacy of this vaccine compared to another vaccine that was available at the time. And you'll also look at type 1 and type 2 errors in the context of this experiment. And where we're going. After this week, one more week of new material where you'll learn about correlation and regression, which actually goes back to what we learned about with scatter plots in way back a couple weeks ago in section 2.4. So feel free to contact me with any questions. Make sure you keep up with the weekly assignments. We're getting very close to the end of the semester and you want to be ready to take your proctored final exam. Have a great week.